第七段，因為第六段同第七段咧比較難明嘅，一來就係佢詞彙同埋佢嘅 phrases 比較長比較深啦，咁二來就係佢有時講啲嘢咧，我哋其實係嘗試去解釋詮釋個作者，但係有時咧作者嘅思路咧佢係會跳嘅，咁有時好難跳到去佢嘅思路度啦，咁我哋睇睇 ，OK，the typical arc of the dystopian narrative mirrors the cause of adolescent disaffection。我哋知道 affection 係喜愛啦，係咪？咁 disaffection 咧，其實即係厭惡啦，相反啦，係咪？咁adolescent 即係青年人啦，即係 teenagers 啦，係咪？咁佢呢度話就 typical arc 即係弧形啦，係咪？咁成句咧，其實即係話呢一啲反烏托邦嘅文學嘅或者係佢橋段啦，就mirror 咧，即係對應翻一啲青年人對社會或者一啲唔開心嘅現象。OK。First, the fictional world is laid out. It may seem pleasant enough. Tally, the heroine of Uglies, looks forward to the surgery that will transform her into a pretty and allow her to move to the party enclave of New Pretty Town。佢度講咩咧？佢話佢舉咗個例子啊，就係呢個 fictional world 咧。首先咧，一個小説嘅世界咧，首先就係展開咗啦，係咪？咁亦都係呢個小説嘅世界 pleasant 嘅係美好嘅。首先咧就係美好嘅嗱，反烏托邦嘅文學咧，佢開始咧係好美好嘅啲嘢。OK， 嗱呢一個位咧又係啦，好多人都唔明啦。咁呢度咧，我哋都係估，我哋嘗試去估個作者嘅意思嘅啫。咁其實個 tally 平時我哋話 tally 咧，例如tally 係對齊啦。咁一般嚟講，我哋用個 preposition with 啦。例如公司嘅帳目要同會計嘅帳目係要對齊啦，係咪？咁你可以話the accounting figures tally with our profit， 假設咁啦，即係我哋公司嘅帳目係對齊啦。咁但係佢呢度突然間個 tally 咧咩意思咧？可能係個作者咧就指出啦，佢喺用一個口述嘅方式，即係佢當係一個 adverb。嗱，平時有一個 verb 嚟嘅，佢當一個 adverb 咁用咧，就係就話相對應地 ，OK， 相對應地。佢度講咩咧？其實即係話反烏托邦嘅文學咧，其實咧佢哋嘅橋段咧係同青年人嘅不滿咧係有一個吻合嘅 ，OK， 互相反映嘅。咁而呢一個 fictional world 咧，呢個文學嘅世界咧就係展示出嚟啦。咁一開始係一個好開心嘅環境。個情況就等同以下，咁你可以當佢係 for example 咁睇。The heroine of Uglies looks forward to the surgery that will transform her into a pretty。呢個 Uglies 呢本書咧嘅女主角，嗱呢個字係女主角，嗱佢同毒品嗰個字啊，嗱我哋知道企硬唔剔嘢啦，係咪？咁呢個係毒品啦，係咪？企硬唔好剔，即係海洛英啊，係咪？咁海洛英咧同女主角個串法咧只得一個字，就係個 E 字嘅啫。咁但係個讀音咧係一樣嘅。我哋好多字啲英文嘅讀音都一樣嘅，係嘛 ？to 係咪一樣嘅？咁呢個都係啦。呢個係 heroine 同一個讀音係嘛？哦，原來 Uglies 呢本書嘅女主角咧就好期待去做手術 surgery 係咪？咁呢個手術可以令到佢變成一個美女。OK， 同埋咧容許佢咧去搬到去呢個地方 ，OK 呢個 town 度 ，OK。咁呢個11歲嘅 Jonas 咧 ，in The Giver 嗱，佢又俾第二個例子啦。呢個係第一個例子 ，example one，Uglies 呢本書。呢個係第二個例子 ，The Givers 係嘛？呢個第二個例子，佢又講咩咧？佢就話啦，原來呢個 11-year-old Jonas in The Giver has no problem with the bluntly tranquil community where he grows up. Then somebody new, a misfit, turns up, or the hero stumbles on an incongruity. A crack opens in the facade. If the society is a false utopia, the hero discovers the lie at its very foundation. The pretties have their brains removed, when they receive their plastic surgery. The residents of Jonah's community have been drained of all passion. If the society is frankly miserable or oppressive, the hero will learn that, contrary to what he has been told, there may be an alternative out there somewhere. Conditions at home become more and more unbearable until finally the hero decides to make a break for it, heading out across dangerous terrain. 好，佢度講乜嘢咧？我第二個例子咧就係一個11歲嘅 Jonas 咧，都冇問題㗎，即係佢個人咧 has no problem，即係好正向嘅，冇問題㗎。對於一啲好沉悶嗱呢個字咧，一般嚟講咧係講一啲好淡嘅嘢，淡味嚟啲粥啦，啲粥very bland congee 啦。咁呢個好沉悶嘅恬靜 tranquil 係恬靜啦，係咪？quiet 咁解啦，咁好寧靜嘅環境，即係話咧，佢對佢初頭成長嘅環境咧，一個寧靜嘅環境咧係冇問題嘅。OK， 好樂觀嘅佢個人，no problem 啦，係咪 ？Then somebody new 一個新人啦，一個特別嘅人啦，OK，misfit 一個唔適合呢個社區嘅人啦，突然間出現咗咯。咁而或者係一個hero 啦，甚至 hero 即係可能係呢個 Jonas 啦，係咪？呢個主角啦，嗱佢講緊第二個例子啊，《The Giver》呢本書啊。OK， 佢唔係講緊 Uglies 呢本書㗎啦，而家 OK 呢個小説㗎啦，佢而家講緊 The Givers 呢個小説，或者係一個hero 啦，一個主角啦，係嘛？突然間發現到一啲不尋常性。佢呢度講乜嘢咧？其實佢呢一段咧，即係講緊好多小朋友嘅成長咧，其實都覺得係冇問題嘅。呢個社會好正面嘅 ，OK， 咁啊包括呢度啦，no problem 啦，係咪？咁佢就話突然間咧，可能咧喺啲書嘅主角咧會 stumble on， 即係遇到啦，係嘛？呢度即係遇到啦，一個不確定性，一個不吻合性，即係佢初頭對佢生命咧係覺得係美好嘅。咁但係咧，原來咧呢個社會唔係咁美好嘅喎。咁呢個就叫 incongruity。OK，incongruity 即係不一致性咧，即係對佢內心嘅世界不一致咧。A crack opens， 即係話咧佢內心有一個合縫咧，就開展咗啦。開展咗喺呢個咩啊？呢個面頰度，呢個面具 facade 即係一個面具啦，即係一個社會嘅表象啦。佢呢度講緊係嘛？咁佢就話啦，如果呢個世界係一個假嘅烏托邦 ，OK， 即係話呢個世界咧表面上好似好美好，但係其實呢個世界如果係一個假嘅美好世界，假嘅烏托邦，而呢啲主角，亦即係話呢啲 The Giver 啊、The Uglies 呢啲裏邊呢啲書裏邊嘅主角啊，發現到呢個原來咧成個世界都係一個大話嚟嘅，係嘛？原來基本上成個世界都係一個大話嚟嘅。佢呢度就話，咁呢啲所謂嘅 pretties 咧。The pretties have their brains removed when they receive their plastic surgery. The residents of Jonah's community have been drained of all passion. 咁咧呢啲 pretties 咧嗱，因為佢舉咗個例子嘛，個例子就係 uglies 嘛 ，uglies 個主角就係想成為 pretty 嘛，係咪？咁佢就話原來呢啲主角咧，佢哋咧 have their brains removed， 佢哋個腦咧都即係會俾人移走咗啦。當佢哋發現到當佢哋收呢個 plastic surgery 呢個plastic surgery 即係整容手術啦，係咪？嗰啲 residents 咧 of Jonah's community have been drained off。drain 咧即係收乾啊，即係榨乾啊，得唔得？榨乾佢哋嘅 passion 啦。即係簡單嚟講，即係話咧佢哋不似預期咁美好，發現到世界 ，OK， 包括一啲好想成為美女嘅人啦，包括成為美女嘅人啦，包括呢啲 Jonah 嘅鄰居啦，係亦都發現到佢哋冇晒熱情喎，對呢個世界 ，OK， 咁 if the society is frankly miserable， 如果整個世界咧都係好坦白地啊，係好悲觀嘅，或者係好壓抑性嘅，咁嗰啲主角咧就會發現到啦，原來與佢哋所學習嘅係不相符嗱。contrary to 咧，即係相反啦，係咪？即係與佢哋所學習到呢個世界咧係不相符嘅話咧，there will be an alternative way out。 alternative out there。咁嗰啲主角啊，OK，發現到呢個世界原來同佢學習嗰啲嘢咧係相反嘅話咧，佢就會反問啦，會唔會有一個一個另覓出路嘅方案咧？係嘛？另覓出路嘅方案咧，而佢發現到佢屋企個環境係變得越嚟越無法忍受啦 ，unbearable 即係無法忍受啦，係嘛？咁呢個主角即係原來發現到唔係咁美好嘅喎，咁佢就 decide to make a break for it。咁佢喂唔得啦，要衝破佢啦，係嘛？要衝出呢個屋企啦。OK，佢呢個意思係衝出個屋企 ，heading out across dangerous terrain。terrain 即係日夜嘅嗰個氣節啦，嗰個天氣嗰個流轉啦。咁佢意思就係話咧，如果佢發覺到呢個屋企咧已經唔再係一個咁好嘅環境，係一個 unbearable 無法容忍嘅環境咧，佢可能即係要衝出佢屋企，係嘛 ？break for it， 咁啊離開個屋企啦。OK， 好嗱，佢第7段咧就開始講啦，就開始講成年人嘅dystopian fiction 啦。嗱，因為上邊咧其實係講緊小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 嘅。咁點解會知咧？因為佢呢度咧就話啦 ，the youth-centered versions of dystopia part company with their adult predecessors in some important respects。嗱，呢個字咧係讀 respects。點解咧？因為咧平時你見到嗰個 respect 咧係verb 嚟嘅，尊重嘛，係咪？但係呢一個咧，其實呢個字咧有第二個意思嘅，就係 aspect 咁解，方面。咁但係當佢解作 aspect 嘅時候咧，佢個讀音就唔係讀 respect 啦，佢個讀音讀 respects。OK， 就好似上升啦，係咪？咁呢個係讀呢度係讀 increase 啦，係咪 verb 嘅時候讀 increase 啦，佢 noun 嘅時候就讀 increase 啦。咁同呢個情況一樣，呢度係解 expect，咁佢讀音係讀 respect，即係咩意思咧？呢度就話啦，以青年作為核心嘅 dystopian 嘅部分啦，就連帶佢哋嘅嗱呢一度咧有少少困難嘅，有啲同學同我講，因為咧佢哋會知道 part 呢個字咧係一個 verb，但係佢都係一個 noun。咁 company 呢個字咧，佢又係一個 verb，佢又係一個 noun。咁究竟呢個句子點樣睇咧？嗱 ，company with 呢個咧先係個 verb。咁呢個 part 係 dystopian part，呢個係一嚿嘢嚟嘅。咁你就會睇得明呢個句子啦。佢話青年版本嘅 dystopian part，反烏托邦嗰部分咧，其實就共同即係共體啦 ，company with 啦，共同佢哋嘅成年人版本咧 ，in some important respect，係有一部分相似嘅地方 ，OK， 一啲重要嘅地方嘅 ，OK，for one thing，嗱，相似嘅地方係啲乜嘢咧 ？The grown up ones agreement， 嗰啲成年人咧。喺一個反烏托邦嘅書籍裏邊咧，係更加悲觀嘅，即係更加唔開心嘅，更加嚴肅嘅。OK， 好啦，咁咧呢個 British academic 咧，呢個英國嘅學者咧 Kay Campbell 咧就認為啦 ，OK，the protagonist 咧，即係上面嗰度講 hero 主角啦，係咪？係咪主角就 final defeat？一般嚟講咧，Kay Campbell 咧就認為咧嗰個主角嘅最後嗰個結局啦，即係係啦，或者係佢嘅失敗啦，係 absolutely crucial to the abnormatory nature of the classic adult dystopia。佢度講乜嘢咧？嗱，佢呢個咧係一個刪引號，就係呢個 Campbell argue 指出就係咩啊？原來嗰啲成年人嘅嗱，佢呢度講緊成年人啦，成年人嘅 dystopian fiction 咧嘅主角咧喺佢最後嗰一幕嘅成敗咧，其實係好重要㗎。對啲咩好重要啊？對呢一個傳統成年人反烏托邦嘅 monetary nature 係好重要嘅。monetary nature 咧即係 嗰個告誡性啊，即係嗰個訓話嗰個哲理啊，OK，嗰個哲理，即係嗰個故事背後嗰個哲理咧係好重要嘅，即係話咧個主角嘅成功與失敗，OK，係對嗰個故事嘅哲理咧係好重要嘅，OK，crucial 即係 important 啦，呢度係咪 important 啦？The adult dystopia extrapolates from the present to show readers how terrible things will become if our deplorable behaviour continues unchecked。嗱，呢度講乜嘢咧？即係話，如果 dystopia 嘅 fiction 咧係展示到一樣嘢，就係咩啊？個世界係會變得好恐怖嘅。如果我哋嘅一啲deplorable 嘅 behaviour， 一啲唔好嘅行為咧，係冇被更改 unchecked， 係咪？Because authors of children's fiction， 呢條上面咧係講緊成年人嘅 dystopian fiction，OK，dystopian fiction。咁佢呢度下邊咧就講啦，就開始講小朋友嘅 fiction 啦。Because authors of children's fiction are reluctant to depict the extinction of hope within their stories。Sambel argues， 嗱，佢呢度就話咩啦？原來咧，因為咧小朋友嘅嗰啲 fiction， 嗱，上面係講成年人嘅 fiction 啦嚇，即係成年人嘅 dystopian fiction 啦。咁佢呢度下邊咧就講話，佢話因為咧小朋友嘅dystopian fiction 咧就唔願意 reluctant 唔願意啦，係咪？即係 loath 啦，唔願意去展示到一啲希望嘅 extinction， 即係連希望都冇啊。OK，即係話咧，小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 咧冇寫得咁悲觀，冇寫得咁悲觀。OK， 咁阿 Sambel 咧就指出啦 ，they equivocate when it comes to delivering a moral。moral 係一啲道德嘅教訓啦，係咪？佢呢度就話啦，佢哋 equivocate 咧嘅含糊其辭啊。OK， 即係講嘢唔清晰啦。咁佢講乜嘢咧？佢就話嗱 Sambel 咧就指出佢咧其實係講緊啲 authors， 就係講緊呢度得唔得？呢啲小朋友嘅 fiction 嘅 author 嘅作者咧係含糊其辭嘅，即係話佢唔會直接指出嗰個故事嘅教訓。OK， 咁即係暗示啲乜嘢咧？原來咧小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，寫俾小朋友嗰啲反烏托邦嘅文學作品咧，其實咧就冇寫得咁明顯嘅，將嗰個教訓寫得冇咁明顯嘅。但係成年人嗰啲咧就會寫得好明顯啦，因為咧嗰個主角嘅生死成敗咧，其實係展示到嗰個乜嘢啊？嗰個故事背後嗰個訓育性、嗰個教訓性嘅 ，OK，admonitory nature， 即係有個教訓性啦，係咪？好啦 ，yes 係啊，我哋嘅 errors and delusions may lead to catastrophe，but if，as usually happens in dystopian novels for children, a new, better way of life can be assembled from the ruins. Would the apocalypse really be such a bad thing?佢度講乜嘢咧？嗱，呢個 yes 咧，即係話佢 yes 緊，其實而家呢一刻嘅現象，而家呢個現象就係咩咧？就係佢呢度講咗啦，就係成年人嘅dystopian fiction 咧，係相對嚟講會比較展示得多一啲叫做告誡性嘅特質，而小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 嘅作者咧，相對嚟講咧係會 equivocate 嘅，佢哋係會含糊其辭，佢唔會直接將嗰個故事背後嘅教訓咧直接講得咁清楚。好啦，咁咧佢就話係啊，我哋嘅 errors and delusion may lead to catastrophe，but if as usually happens in dystopian novels for children, a new better way of life can be assembled from the ruins。佢就話啦，一般嚟講係喺小朋友嘅 dystopian novel 咧，其實都仲有得救嘅。佢就話 assemble from the ruins， a better life， 即係一個更好嘅生命咧，係可以 assemble 嘅。OK， 即係 assemble， 即係收拾翻嚟啦。從呢個破碎嘅 the ruins， 即係從呢個成個故事一啲唔好嘅地方啦，破碎個情節度當中咧， 都依然可以揾到一啲喜樂點嘅，係啦。咁咧，Would the apocalypse really be such a bad thing？佢度講乜嘢咧？佢就話啦，係啊，我哋嘅錯誤，我哋嘅幻想，可能真係會引致災難嘅。OK，但係如果喺 dystopian fiction 裏邊有一個好嘅結果，就算成個 narrative 裏邊咧都係一啲 ruins，即係第一個好嘅結果啦。咁呢一個 apocalypse 咧，呢個所謂嘅悲劇嘅結局咧，其實都唔係一件差嘅事嚟嘅。咁佢即係話乜嘢咧？佢就話就算我哋呢一句咧，其實咧有少少咧係難理解。嗱，佢難理解咧，唔係話啲英文難，而係你唔知道作者想講乜嘢。因為咧，我哋有時睇一啲即係作者有時寫啲文嘅時候咧，佢可能假定咗有一啲嘢係個讀者明白嘅。咁所以咧，有時咧可能你都未必估到個作者講乜。咁但係大概我哋知道嘅咧就係話，呢度兩部分。第一部分就係成年人嘅 dystopian fiction， 下邊嗰部分咧就係小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction。我哋知一樣嘢咧，就係成年人 dystopian fiction 咧，一般嚟講咧係比較展示到一個 monetary nature 嘅，係嘛？咁而小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，作者咧係有時含糊其辭，唔會直接講到嗰個教訓出嚟嘅，係嘛？咁咧我哋大概知道個意思係咁樣先，係啦，因為咧佢呢度最後問咧 ，Would the apocalypse 即係嗰個最悲劇嘅結局咧 ，really be such a bad thing？ 即係話咧，無論係成年人或者係小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction， 有時一個壞結局嗱呢個字咧係有問到嘅，就同 catastrophe 呢度咧一樣意思嘅，即係一個末日啦，一個災難啦。有時咧呢啲末日或者災難嘅結局咧，係咪真係咁差咧？其實佢意思即係咩意思咧？即係話有時成年人嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，係會對佢哋嘅 deplorable behaviour 咧有一個警惕啊，即係一啲希望人去改善一啲唔好嘅行為，咁而作出一個警惕啦，對一啲成年人。咁所以咧，佢度反問翻就係話，有時 dystopian fiction 嘅一啲唔好嘅結果，係咪真係咁唔好咧？其實佢暗示即係咩咧？暗示即係話，好多時啲作者，就算佢講一啲好差嘅結局出嚟，好似講到成個世界好災難性咁 ，OK？但係其實咧，佢係有一個 moral 喺度嘅，有一個告誡性喺度嘅，係告誡緊人，希望啲人嘅行為係可以改變嘅，得唔得？好，睇埋第8段喎。Sambel's observation implies that dystopian stories for adults and children have essentially the same purpose, to warn us about the dangers of some current trend. That's certainly true of books like 1984 and Brave New World. They 即係呢兩本書啦 detail the consequences of political authoritarianism and factless hedonism.This is what will happen if we don't turn back now. They scold, and scolding makes sense when your readers have a shot at getting their hands on the wheel. 嗱，呢個有個 phrase 學咗佢，have a shot at getting their hands on the wheel。我哋知道 wheels 咧，其實就係一架車嘅輪嘅嗰個軚盤啦，係咪？咁佢講咩咧？就話當個讀者咧 have a shot at getting their hands on the wheel， 呢個係一個 phrase 嚟嘅。have a shot at getting their hands on the wheel， 即係有控制權啊。which means that they can control。OK， 當呢啲讀者對佢哋生命咧有一個掌控權嘅時候，好啦，佢就話啦咩啊？佢就話 Sambel 咧，嗱，留意 Sambel 係咩人啦 ？Sambel 咧就係呢個嘛 ，British Academic 嘛，係咪呢個？咁呢Sambel 咧就指出啦，佢話如果佢有一個 observation， 佢有個觀察啦，係咪觀察啦？佢嘅觀察咧就指出啦，呢啲反烏托邦嘅故事咧，無論係小朋友同成年人都好啦，其實都有同一個目的嘅。就係去警告，去 warn us。嗱，warn 呢個字咧就係好似前文咁啦，呢個 呢個 adjective 咁啦，但係呢個 adjective 嘅就係 admonitory 即係一個告誡性嘅，係咪告誡性嘅特質？好啦，呢度佢就話啦，佢就話呢一啲嘅成年人同埋小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，其實都係去警告一啲現行 current trend 嘅危險，係嘛？例如呢兩本書，1984 Brave New World，OK，咁佢哋咧都展示出一啲 consequences，一啲結果，係嘛？展示出一啲結果，乜嘢嘅結果啊？哦，原來係一個政治嘅極權政治啦，同埋 factless hedonism，同埋一個享樂主義啦，係嘛？無休止嘅享樂主義啦。咁咧，我哋如果唔 turn back，即係我哋唔悔改啊，OK， 係啦，咁就會發生一啲唔好嘅事咯。That is what will happen。咁即係話成個世界會變得差咯，即係你嘅世界會顯示得好差咯。因為如果你唔悔改嘅話，即係話咧係啦，咁佢就鬧啦，OK。咁而呢啲鬧咧其實係 make sense 嘅喎，係嘛？當我哋嘅讀者對佢哋嘅生命有掌控嘅時候 ，OK， 即係話咧，如果你作為一個對生命有掌控嘅人，咁如果你唔 turn back， 你唔悔改嘅話咧，你依然係去享樂主義咧，真係有一啲唔好嘅事會發生嘅喎，咁嘅意思得唔得？好嗱，跟住咧佢又再講啦 ，Children, however, don't run the world, and teenagers especially feel the sting of it. Of this dystopian fiction may be the only genre written for children that's routinely less didactic than its adult counterpart。嗱 counterpart 咧，我哋理解咗先，就係相對應的東西。OK， 嗱佢度講咩咧？然而啊，小朋友並不運作呢個世界，係啦。即係話小朋友咧並不是喺呢個世界嘅運作嘅一個管理者啦，年青人都係嘛？佢哋都唔係啦。但係佢哋會感覺到 the sting of it of this， 佢會感覺到咩？你個 this 咧嗱後邊個閱讀你嘅文章有問嘅，就係 run the world。OK， 呢個 this 咧其實係 run the world 咧，即係話佢對呢個世界嘅運作啊 ，OK， 佢會感覺到一個痛苦 sting 咧，我哋知道係一般嚟講係 bee sting 啦，係咪？即係嗰啲蚊嗰啲蜜蜂嘅針你啦，即係話咧小朋友同年青人都唔係運作呢個世界嘅管理者，但係佢哋都感受到呢一種嘅痛楚，即係管理呢個世界嘅痛楚。OK， dystopian fiction may be the only genre。呢個字要識讀，呢個咧唔係讀 genre，OK， 呢個讀 genre 得唔得？文體啊，文體係嘛？文體 OK， 咁佢就話咩啊？dystopian 呢啲 fiction 咧，其實可能係唯一一種文體咧，係寫俾細路仔 ，that's routinely less didactic than its adult counterpart。哦，俾小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，已經係冇咁教誨性噶啦 ，less didactic 已經係冇咁教誨性噶啦。相對於寫俾成年人嘅 dystopian fiction，OK， 即係話咧寫俾成年人嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，佢前文都有講到噶嘛，係咪？呢一度係嘛？就係話寫俾成年人嘅 dystopian fiction 咧，其實咧佢係更加殘酷嘅，寫得更加殘酷嘅，寫得更加個結局會更加差嘅，係嘛？咁所以咧，佢認為咧寫俾小朋友嘅嗰類文體咧，其實已經係 less 冇咁憤悔性噶啦，但係 didactic 即係一個憤悔性啦，係咪？好啦，佢就舉例子咯。The Hunger Games could be taken as an indictment of reality TV。OK，but it is not an argument。嗱喺度講乜嘢咧？好得意嘅 indictment 咧係喺法律用語嚟嘅，其實咁 indictment 咧係你可以咁講就係話一個唔係咁好嘅例子啦。佢就話 Hunger Game 咧，其實以一個 一個綜合電視節目嚟講咧，其實唔係一個咁好嘅例子。咁但係呢一個唔係一個 argument，佢咩意思？即係話咧，佢咩意思咧？即係話Hunger Games 咧，其實背後咧有好多值得被人譴責、indictment，俾人譴責嘅一個電視節目。即係話咧，可能佢嗰個故事啊，實在太殘酷啦，即係實在太負面啦，啲嘢實在太負面啦。OK，咁咧其實咧佢係值得被譴責嘅。即係如果作為一個電視節目嚟講 ，OK， 值得被譴責 indictment，OK， 一個值得被譴責嘅一個電視節目。咁點解？因為佢啲嘢實在太負面啦，太唔開心啦。OK，但係咧呢個都唔係一個理由嚟嘅。佢度講咩咧？即係話其實我哋唔應該譴責呢一啲 Hunger Games 一啲背面一啲好負面嘅情緒。點解咧？其實咧佢就好似一個 fable， 一個傳奇即係一個fable， 即係嗰啲傳說啦，係咪？或者 myth 啦。咁其實咧就係講緊咧一啲 outlandish 同埋一啲 extravagant figures。嗱，呢啲全部都係一啲負面嘅詞彙嚟嘅。咩叫 outlandish 咧 ？outlandish 即係好過分啊 ，extravagant 即係好華麗啊嘅 figure 係人物，呢度係咪人物角色？即係話呢啲人物角色咧，由於佢哋過於浮誇，過於可以咁講咧，即係太過分啦，做人做得太過分啦，咁所以咧佢哋咧就會成為一個綜合性嘅體驗啦。佢喺度講乜嘢咧？其實成嚿嘢好似都唔知佢講乜嘢。其實唔係嘅，個意思即係話大概係咁講，就話小朋友同埋年青人，佢哋雖然唔係去管理呢個世界，但係佢哋都感受到管理呢個世界嘅難處嘅痛苦，係嘛？咁而 dystopian fiction 咧，其實就係一啲文學作品咧，其實就已經係冇咁對於成年人嘅 dystopian fiction 嚟講咧，小朋友嘅 dystopian fiction 咧已經係冇咁憤悔性啦，已經冇咁嚴苛噶啦。OK， 咁所以咧 Hunger Games 咧其實就唔可以成為一個譴責佢一個 reality TV 嘅理由嘅，因為咧其實 Hunger Games 雖然佢講啲嘢好負面，但係咧亦都係展示咗一啲好過分嘅人物嘅一啲唔好嘅結果。OK， 一啲唔好結果，即係話咧雖然 Hunger Games 好負面，但係佢其實咧背後咧係隱含住一啲道理同埋一啲教訓，希望啲成年人，希望人啦 ，OK 呢度其實個宗旨就係呢嚿嘢啦，係咪？希望呢啲唔好嘅行為係可以唔好 uncheck 啦，即係簡單嚟講，即係希望佢可以改過一啲唔好嘅行為。OK， 嗱呢個咧係有少少難理解同埋你要去估嘅。OK， 咁但係都唔係太難嘅。OK， 如果你深入去諗嘅話 ，OK， 同埋咧佢閱讀呢間文章背後咧，佢都冇問到咁深嘅，佢都係問啲比較膚淺啲嘅嘢嘅啫。咁重點我哋就學一啲生字啦，係咪 ？OK， 好，我哋再睇埋咯，最後咯。While some parents disapprove of their children reading dystopian fiction, kids continue to read the books, and some of them will surely grow up to write dystopian tales of their own. Incited by technologies or social trends we have yet to conceive. By then, reality TV and privacy on the internet may seem like quaint, outdated problems, but the part about the world being broken or intolerable, about the need to sweep away the past to make room for the new, that part never gets old. 咩意思咧？即係話嗱，有啲家長咧係唔同意啲小朋友去讀 dystopian fiction 嘅，因為係啦，啲小朋友但係呢啲小朋友咧都會繼續讀落去嘅。咁有啲人咧 ，OK，some of them will surely grow up to write dystopian tale， 而 some of them 咧，即係有啲小朋友長大咗之後咧，甚至可能會去寫呢啲故事 ，tale 即係故事啦，係咪寫呢啲故事？係啦，咁喺呢個網絡同埋社交媒體嘅刺激之下啦 ，incited 即係佢嘅刺激之下啦，係咪？好，呢個學咗去啦。We have yet to conceive， 即係我哋接下來會領受到嘅，科技同埋社交媒體嘅發展啦。 啦，咁到時咧 reality TV 同埋啲網絡嘅私隱性咧，就可能唔再係一啲規則、一啲陌生嘅嘢，或者一啲 outdated 嘅問題啦，係嘛？係啦，但係咧，成個世界咧，成個世界都係一個破壞性，即係毀爛咗個世界啦，好難接受嘅世界咧，係啦，佢就話，but the part about the world being broken and intolerable, about the need to sweep away the past to make room for the new。即係咩意思啊？即係話成個世界係一啲好爛嘅、好差嘅、好難以接受 intolerable， 即係難以接受啦，係咪？嚟自 tolerate 啦，係啦，嚟自 tolerate 呢個字 ，tolerate 係 verb 啦，係咪？咁嚟自一啲難以接受嘅世界咧，其實咧要將呢嚿嘢推走咗佢，推走咗個過去，即係將個過去抹咗佢啦，去迎接新嘅，係嘛？咁呢一樣嘢咧，從來都唔會變舊嘅。OK，即係咩意思咧？嗱，呢度難以理解啲嘅，因為有時個作者喺度自言自語，坦白講，即係個作者自言自語。咁有時我哋都好難理解個作者個心係諗乜嘢。咁但係大致上咧，佢即係話，佢呢個隱含住就係話，其實 dystopian fiction 咧，雖然係好多家長咧。呢度講到啊，都係 disapprove 嘅，唔同意嘅。但係咧，即係對啲小朋友好引人入勝。啲小朋友將來咧，可能佢都會寫呢啲故事，係嘛？係嘛？特別係受住呢個科技同埋社會嘅潮流嘅趨勢嘅發展啦，係咪？咁可能到時將來咧，寫呢啲故事咧，產生一啲 reality TV 一啲真人 show 咧，或者係網絡上面一啲佢哋展露出嚟嘅一啲私隱咧，都唔會係陌生嘅問題㗎啦。係嘛？成個世界咧都可能會變得好差啦，好難以接受啦。而你將一啲唔好嘅嘢推走啦，去從而去創新，希望有一個新嘅明天啦。Make room for the new，OK？好多人都可能會做啦。咁嘅意思即係話咧，佢呢度可能隱含嘅意思啊。嗱，呢個都係我哋去估嘅。咁而閱讀理解後邊都冇問到嘅呢度。咁但係佢大約嘅意思即係話，如果有人想對將來產生一個美好嘅憧憬，將一啲唔好嘅嘢抹走咧，咁咧呢一樣嘢咧，可能都係唔會變舊嘅。That part never gets old，即係大家都好可能好希望將來有好多人接受到一啲世界一啲唔好嘅嘢嘅時候咧，大家咧都好希望將一啲已經過去咗唔好嘅嘢咧都抹走咁嘅意思。OK，咁係啦，大概佢呢個最尾咧係大概係咁嘅意思嘅。